Welcome to the LitAssist video help series. This video outlines the steps to get you started in creating a comprehensive literature evaluation. Note, the goal of LitAssist is twofold. The first is to help you organize your literature. Even if you only use LitAssist to document the basics of research literature, you will never lose track of articles relating to your topic of interest. However, our main goal is to guide you through the literature review process so you develop comprehensive evaluations of your literature. Your evaluations will lead you to learning and synthesis of the information you evaluate. Creating a new review. To create a new review, log into LitAssist. Select the Evaluations tab, then select Create and Edit. From the Literature Evaluation page, select the Create New Evaluation button located at the top of the screen, just below the menu bar. At a minimum, you are required to enter the type of review and title. Enter information from the research source into all applicable fields. Note, hover your mouse cursor over a field will display help messages to assist you in what to enter. If a value is not included in a drop-down list, simply select the plus icon next to the field title. Example, when entering a new journal, select the plus icon next to the journal title. The system will prompt you with a pop-up, which you can enter your journal name. When entered, select Save. The journal you just entered is displayed. Article relevance. As you evaluate an article, you may find the article highly relevant or not relevant to your research at all. However, this does not mean the article may not be of value in a future research project. So, you can rate your evaluation in the rating column to indicate the level of relevance. A good use for this is when you are filtering your articles. You may want to only view the evaluations that are only highly relevant. Citations. The Citations field allows you to, using your perception, the amount of citations used. Highly cited research may suggest a lot of research from the author, however slightly cited literature may indicate more opinion than research. Peer review. The peer-reviewed field allows you to indicate whether the article or book you are evaluation was peer-reviewed. Peer-reviewed articles provide better credibility to the author. URLs. LitAssist allows you to store two URLs to allow you to retrieve the original article, or to retrieve a local, marked-up copy. Note, because LitAssist is in the cloud, you can only reference online articles. So, we recommend you store your local copies in a repository such as Google Docs, SkyDrive, Dropbox, etc. Authors. To add an author, select the Add Author to List button located in the Author section of the General Info tab. You will be prompted with a pop-up. Here, you can select an existing author, or add a new author to the list. To add an existing author, simply select the checkbox next to the author's name. Complete this step until you identified all authors contributing to the evaluated research. To add a new author, select the Add New Author button. You can now enter as much information as desired. At a minimum, last name and first name should be entered. Once completed, select Save. This author is now checked in the list. Repeat this adding new author step until all authors contributing to the research are entered. Once completed, click Save to add the authors to the evaluation. References. The reference uses the authors in the order they appear in the Authors section of the evaluation. To sort the authors, click and drag an author to the correct location. Save the evaluation. Note, you may need to refresh the reference by click the refresh icon located above the reference. Copy reference. Once the reference is properly generated, you can copy the full reference or the in-text citation. To copy the full reference, highlight the full reference and press the Ctrl plus the C keys on your keyboard. Select the location for the reference in your document and press the Ctrl plus the V key to paste the reference. To copy in-text citations, select the in-text icon located above the reference. Once clicked, the in-text is displayed. To copy, simply select the Ctrl plus the C keys on your keyboard. Select the location in your document you want to paste. To paste, press the Ctrl plus the V keys on your keyboard. Basic. You now have the basic element to organize your research. At this point, we recommend you save the evaluation by select the Create Evaluation button located at the top or bottom of the evaluation screen. As with any application, we recommend saving data frequently. Summary. The summary section can be used as an abstract to the evaluation. It is strongly recommended you complete each field in your own words to avoid plagiarism. If you are quickly evaluating an article and want to cut and paste an existing abstract, then we suggest placing quotes around your entry with a page or paragraph number. The goal is to write in your own words, so once your evaluation is completed, you only need to cut and paste your entry into your research. The summary can be as brief or lengthy as you deem reasonable for you to understand your evaluation. The Scope tab allows you to identify the population and/or sample used in the research being evaluated. Note, if the research you are reviewing is another literature review, then this tab will not apply. To add scope to your review, click the plus icon below the Quantity and Scope Type section of the Scope tab. Enter the quantity. This field only allows numeric values. Then, enter the type of population. Example, quantity equals 100 and population equals females. To add additional population or sample, click the plus icon to add new scope line. Repeat this as many times as needed to accurately reflect the population or sample. The notes section can be used to further clarify the population. Example, the participants from this study were from a university in northeastern United States. The Instrument tab allows you to identify each instrument used in the evaluated research. To add a new instrument, select the plus icon located below the Research Instrument section of the Instrument tab. If you previously used an instrument, you can select it from the drop-down list. To add a new instrument to the drop-down list, select the plus icon next to the field. You will see a pop-up displayed. Enter the instrument name, example, semi-structured interview. Select Save when completed. Your new instrument is now displayed in the drop-down. You can also indicate whether or not the author found the instrument to be valid. Example, if the author indicated a survey was pre-tested prior to the research, you may want to select the Valid checkbox. To remove an instrument, click the garbage can icon. Repeat these steps until all instruments are added. Use the Notes section to further explain the instrument. Example, indicate type of assessment used on the instrument results. Be sure to save your review. Tabs. To complete your evaluations, complete each tab if appropriate. Note, not all fields are required to create a full evaluation. Each tab has questions and prompts for examples of what to enter. When completed, save your evaluation. To learn how to export your evaluations, watch our Reporting How-To video. You can find the link in the Help tab under Reporting. Thank you for taking the time to review our video series. We are confident that consistent use of LitAssist will result in a full library of your evaluations. If you apply correct topics, you will never lose track of your research again. Be sure to save your review.
Thank you for watching the LitAssist How-To video series. If you have any further questions or comments, please explore our other videos or contact us at info@litassist.com. Remember, from all of us on the LitAssist team, research smart.